Hi, I'm Claire from Godminster, and today I want to tell you all about Bruton Beast. And if you can see this great big piece of cheese, this is Bruton Beast, and you can see why it's called a beast, because it's enormous, weighs an absolute ton. In fact, it's almost 5 kilos of our beautiful, organic, vintage cheddar. So this is straight off the block. We haven't waxed it. Nope, we've left it in a lovely big catering size for you. It's the same as our vintage Bruton Beauty that you know, that's in the burgundy wax, but this time we haven't extruded it, we've left it as a block form for you. It's been matured for the same amount of time, approximately 12 to 14 months, to bring on that wonderful flavour profile that you'll know and love as Godminster. And it's rich and deep in flavour, just the same as our beautiful truckles. And every now and again you get that little bit of calcium lactate crystal that tells you the age of the cheese and shows that it's a beautiful mature cheddar. What could you do? It's great for your cutting counter, great just as a block of cheese to give to your customers. Alternatively, it's great in sandwiches, it's great as an ingredient. Try it on toast, try it on mac and cheese. There are so many different options for this beautiful, very heavy bit of cheese. But don't trust me, why don't you just come and try it for yourself and order from us. It's the Bruton Beast, and it's a must for any cutting counter, and any restaurant should have some of this for their menu.